Hey guys, what's going on, and welcome to the video. So in today's video, we're going to take a look at a 1999 Ford F-150 that I purchased for only $500. Yes, only $500. It does need some work. The inside is absolutely disgusting, smells really bad. It had some mice get inside of it because it's been sitting on a farm for the last 2 years. What else? Yeah, the outside's pretty gross. We're going to go ahead and power wash it. As you can see, I'm doing that right now. Then we're going to go ahead and clean out the inside. I think I'm going to have to do like a two-part inside clean out because the first inside in this video, as you're going to see, I'm just going to vacuum it out. It's absolutely terrible inside here. It smells really bad, but we're going to go ahead and clean it out, try to get the smell better. And then in the next video, we'll take a look at fixing the front end. So I got the truck for only $500 because the guy hit a deer, so the front end is pretty messed up. It's actually not that bad. The bumper's a little bent upwards. I'm just gonna leave that, that's fine. But the grill is shattered and the headlights are broken, so we're gonna replace the grill and the headlights. That'll pass my safety inspection. So as of right now, I can't technically drive it on the street or on the highway. I can only park it in my backyard, so that's where it's at. It's in my backyard. Let me know in the comments down below, guys, if you would to buy this F-150 for only $500. I'm gonna think once it's all said and done, we're either gonna keep it and use it as a vehicle to go pick up some more vehicles so we can work on them, or we're gonna sell it. So let me know down in the comments down below if you guys think we should keep it or if we should do like a fix and flip with it. Thanks for watching, and let's get right into it. Here's the inside of the truck. It is absolutely disgusting, and it reeks in here like mouse turds and cigarette smoke. The smell in here is so bad, like I don't even want to start cleaning it out because it's really bad. I wish there was smell-o-vision just so you guys could smell it. Okay, so I just wanted to go get the thing I was talking about that you put in here to get rid of the smell. So it's called SmokeX or Fresh FX. I don't know. Let's just call it SmokeX from ROLLA. It says basically turn your air conditioner on, put this in here, let it run for what does it say? Let it work for 15 minutes, then open the door and air it out for 5 to 10. So pretty straightforward. We're gonna go ahead and do that. I'll be back in 1 second. We'll get it running, and yeah, I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's spraying in the air. So I guess all we have to do now is push this and let's see what it does. So there we go. We're gonna get some nice, ooh, it actually smells really good. It's really strong. So we're gonna let that run. Okay, moment of truth. It's been about 15 minutes later. We're gonna open the door and see what it smells like in here. And if it doesn't smell that great, we got some Febreze we can spray on the seats as well. Oh, it smells so much better. Man, it smells like a new car in here. Not gonna lie. It literally smells at least 40% better. So we're definitely gonna still spray the seats with some Febreze. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this bad boy off and let it air out for 5 minutes like it said. I just wanted to see what it actually smelled like. That's not gonna work anymore, so vamonos to that. But yeah, we'll just let this air out. I'll come back in 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna spray the seats down and the carpet down with some of this Febreze here. Spray this on there too, let it soak for a few minutes, and then we'll start vacuuming. Okay, it's been like 5 minutes. We let it air out. Now I'm gonna start picking up all this rather large crap that's all over under here. I don't even know what this is. We got some brake fluid. We got some wires here that I'm probably gonna have to disconnect, so we'll leave that. That is the door jamb. I put some gloves on because, like I said, there's rat poop and stuff. So that goes right there, but the tab is broken, so we'll need a new one of those. We'll get one of those from the junkyard. That, I wish you guys could see in there. I can't get the GoPro really in there. Look how gross that is. It's disgusting. People are so nasty. What's inside this one? Cigarette lighter, of course. Still actually works. Yo, an extra key. I wonder if that actually goes to this car. Oh, there's a penny. So we're up 1 penny right now. So technically the car only costs $499.99. That's awesome. Just more junk down there. Let's get whatever this is. All right, let's start with the door panels first. See what's in here. This one looks pretty clean. This one's pretty clean. They must have never had passengers in here really. Just vacuum that out. There's an earring here, but that's probably fake. I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below if you think that's real. There's actually 2 of them. It could be a real set of diamonds. I don't know. I don't have a diamond tester, so I don't know. It's just gross. I don't even want to touch it. That's why I'm wearing gloves. We're gonna just suck that up into the vacuum cleaner. Let's get these nasty floor mats out of here. Got the cool little Ford logo on them though. It's pretty neat. Look how gross this is. It's actually nasty. We'll probably end up taking these seats completely out too. First, let's just get it mostly vacuumed up. See what's inside of here. I'm just gonna leave that in there for now. Let's get this out of here. Someone's license plate. I'm gonna put you guys on the tripod while I reach back here and start pulling this stuff out. Let's get a nice, good angle there. Okay. I might keep that. Clean it up. Let's see. I'm pretty sure these flip forward and they actually attached. I'm not sure. I've never had one of these trucks. So we got kitty wells. I don't know if you guys can even see that. Is there anything in it? There actually is. I don't know. We might give these to Goodwill. Let's go donate these to Goodwill. See how many's down here. What else we got? We got Clay Walker, Tracy Lawrence. Can you guys even see these? Yeah, okay. Let's see what else we got. We have Charlie Daniels, Alan Jackson. Okay, and if you didn't believe me about the mouse droppings, there you go. You can see them for yourself. Get that out of there. We can get back here and clean this up. This is so gross. It's actually gross. All right, look. Quarter. 25 more cents. We're at 26 cents now for anybody keeping track. It's almost paid for itself. All right, let's just put this back right this second. We have to figure out how to, so it has bolts. Here's like a piece of broken plastic the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 bolts holding the entire bench. And I'm gonna go to the other side for a minute, see if that side flips up. Yeah, it's got a pull tab too. Let's see what's over here. Oh, another dime. We got a dime. And I want to start up here because this is gross. Let's get you guys situated here. There we go. I'm gonna go get the shop vac. Okay guys, it's pretty much vacuumed out. I probably am going to pull out all of the seats because there's still probably stuff underneath of them. It definitely still smells in here pretty strong, so I'm going to spray the entire car with Febreze. I'm going to let that sit for a little while, then I'm going to give it another vacuum, and then I'm going to spray it one more time and just let that stay in the car. So yeah, anyway, I'll go ahead and spray it, and that'll probably be the end of this video. And then in the next video, I think I'm going to take a look at fixing the headlights and the grille assembly. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Make sure to drop a comment down below, hit the like button, subscribe, ring the bell, all that good stuff. I do appreciate it, and you guys can watch me spray the car with Febreze, and that'll be the end of the video. There you go, the car's been sprayed with Febreze. I'm gonna let that sit and soak in for a little while, then I'll vacuum it. But anyway, stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna go ahead and try to fix the front end here. This is the only thing left that I have to do in order to pass my safety inspection. So I have a new grille, new headlights, new corner lights. I'm gonna leave the bumper. Hopefully it's fine. I'm not sure yet until we get in there and figure out what's going on. See you guys in the next one.